Hello guys, good day, God bless you. This is Dr. Tab K. I want to show you in this video, right, how you can sign into your Canva Pro after the invitation has been sent to you to your email address. But the first thing you got to do is to make sure you have your Canva app, all right, ready. Click on it, all right, click on it, and what you do is to sign in first. Okay, if you are into the particular email you sent, okay, to us for us to log you in, right, go there, click on the menu, the hamburger sign up there, and then what you do is log out of the current one you are in. All right, just make sure you sign out. You see that? Sign out. So and then sign in with the email address you sent. Okay, so what you do here is click on create a login to another account, right? Do that and click on continue with Google. All right, so locate the email address. For instance, this is the one I want to use, so I'm going to log in with that email address that I sent, all right, to them. So having logged in, the next I'm going to do is to go to my email inbox and then come back here. It's going to lead me straight to this way. All right, so let's go and see how it goes. All right, please, before then, let me also let you know that, okay, this is Pro. You can see this crown here, Pro. It means that you are not in the Pro version right now. Okay, it means that it's in the personal one. Just come over here to confirm. If you come over here to confirm, you're going to see that you are in the personal one. You can see that personal. Okay, personal, that's where you are in right now. Okay, so this is what you're going to use to know that you are in personal one. So what you do now is to go to your email address and log in, connect or join the class with the email address you sent. Okay, so let's go and see that. So when you go over to the email address that you sent, okay, you're going to see email sent to you like this and say join the class. All right, click on join the class. So wait for it, and then you're going to have this message: you have been invited to Tiara Krause's class. Click on join team. All right, so this is it. Okay, welcome to Tiara Krause's class. Okay, let's go. Click on that, and then automatically this will change again to what Magic Studios. You can see that before now it was Pro with a crown on it, right? But now you have been invited to a school educational Canva team as it is, right? So if you just come over here, you're going to see that, okay, you are already in a team, in a Pro team right now. This is a team you are in right now. It's no longer personal, but now the class that you have been invited to join. Is that okay? Have a wonderful time. God bless you. Enjoy yourself.